I'm back in San Giovanni d'Asso looking for white truffles. Paolo accompanies me.
It takes experience, patience, time, because time ripens the sorbs and the rogue. The discoverer of the truffle is the pig, which since the Middle Ages, grazing in the soil, so in the wild state, starts searching for truffles in the ground, leaving people curious about this mysterious substance.
Real prospectors are the dogs. Goofy was very good at finding one very early, and then 1,000 completed the digging work.
The real truffle seekers are Millie and Goofy. Millie is a Lagotto Romagnolo. He is 8 years old, and Pippo is 3 years old and a half-breed. Magic word and off we go. The magic word is where this is an evil truffle, let's say. It causes gastrointestinal disorders. Like mushrooms, there are good and bad truffles.
We call them the Durrell, here you are. The Scaparello finds it. From Goofy, who's there? Bravo.
You see the roots? Practically, these roots are the artifice of truffle birth.
But
Goofy.
like,
Goofy barked happiness is important. Close. Good. Good.
does a truffle form? How long does it take? What conditions?
Good harvests are dependent on the seasons retaining their traditional characteristics. Summer should not be excessively hot or dry, while autumn should be normal and not overly rainy. Currently, these conditions are rarely met as precipitation is scarce and temperatures are abnormal. For hazel trees, which yield white truffles, the ideal environment requires valley bottom soils that are moist, cool, sandy, and preferably deep. Moreover, specific vegetation consisting of oak trees, poplars, and most importantly hazel willows is necessary. These plants serve as the foundation for successful cultivation. Additionally, I am confident that it is possible to cultivate white truffles. The cultivation process involves clearing weeds, pruning, lightly tilling the soil, improving drainage, and thinning the forest for adequate moisture while still ensuring sufficient shade without excessive thickness. NB. The reformulated text consists of 814 characters, which is within 10% of the requested target, 1043. For the rain is crucial because it stimulates the growth of molds in the soil. These mold filaments, resembling strands, engage in a sort of mating process. As they intertwine, they congregate and form a community, almost like gathering to have a party. These molds then attach themselves to the roots of certain trees, enveloping them and creating a collective known as the mycelium. From this set of molds that if drought persists and the soil dries out, the temperature is high, these molds dry out and die. On the other hand, if the temperature remains normal, rainfall cadenced, the mold is maintained. Because of chlorophyll photosynthesis, this is fundamental. An exchange of substances takes place. This is why the truffle arises, lives in symbiosis with certain trees. It is said that it is really a symbiont fungus, hypogous fungus, but symbiont. The truffle in this exchange of substances absorbs from the soil the water, moisture, and mineral salts of which the soil is composed, and from the plant, always the effect of photosynthesis, it absorbs organic substances. Each passing day contributes to the formation of the truffle until it attains complete ripeness, It becomes ripe when it gives off the scent that is perceived by Goofy and Millie's noses, and I, with this object, which is called a spade, then pull it out.
Paolo told me that searching for truffles is truly a challenging task, and he shared how this work has greatly contributed to his personal growth and development.
I was not like this as a person. When I went to school, well, I knew things. If they questioned me, to panic, I wouldn't speak, I couldn't. When I entered the truffle world, I totally changed my character. But changed because if one says, like in life, I want to do something, and at the first difficulties he stops, it's good night.
I highly recommend exercising extreme caution when going truffle hunting in the forest. It is crucial to have a reliable companion and to always respect the natural surroundings. If you enjoyed this video, please consider sharing it and leaving your comments. Additionally, a nice like would be greatly appreciated. Let's continue our search for these forest treasures together.